Okay, so good evening, everyone. So today we have another quote which says as follows: that a diamond is merely a lump of gold that has done extremely well under tremendous pressure. So let's see about all our friends' views, what they think about it, and let's have an healthy discussion. So first, I would like to start with Maitri to share her views.
Hi, I'm Maitri, and I'm gonna be speaking on the topic a diamond is merely a lump of coal that did extremely well under tremendous pressure. This quote means that each and every one is as special as diamond. We are shaped and molded by people we are and the way we change due to the teachings of life. Just the way pressure is needed to transform a piece of coal into a diamond, we also require pressures for our transformation. Each and every human is as precious as and unique. From transformation of a coal to diamond, we need to go through immense pressure, which we have to bear with patience. The results will obviously be very fruitful. I think it means we can do well in anything we want, provided we put enough hard work into it. In today's world, we are facing more and more stress, pressure on a daily basis. Tighter deadlines, fewer resources, complex issues, unrealistic expectations, and completing demands. So, under such a pressure, there will be productivity losses, wrong decisions being made, and tiredness, absenteeism, sickness, or loss of motivation when things around us are crumbling. This is when toughest get going. Like diamond being created under pressure, leaders need to be able to manage above situation and help people cope up with the pressure. The modern working environment often places substantial demands and stress on people, but smart leaders will eventually learn to maintain an effective performance and cope up with such a pressure. Thank you.
Thank you, Maitri. So, coming about my view, speaking about this quote said by Henry Kissinger, so I personally believe that this quote depicts very well to our life. So, first, let us understand scientifically what this quote means. So, everyone know, everyone or maybe most of us don't know that coal and diamond are chemically same, but when we see physically, there are a lot of difference in physical properties. Like coal looks very dull and it's not as strong as diamond. But on other side, when we see diamond, diamond is very precious, as we know, and it's very hard. And so, where we can see that physically there are a lot of difference, but actually both are the carbon. So, what made the difference? So the difference is the coal or a carbon which went under tremendous pressure for many years has converted itself into a precious diamond. So it doesn't happen in a day. So similarly, this quote is just a metaphor which demonstrate the fact that a chunk of coal might not be attractive as diamond and not as precious as diamond. So same when we compare and relate this with our life, uh, a person cannot be successful in just a day. He need to go and face a lot of pressure throughout his life for a long period to shine like a sun. Uh, so then I would like to say that it is essential that each and every person uh, faced with the various kind of pressure, he doesn't escape with it. We have to go with the pressure to understand what it feels like to be aside, and we need to know that every person is not born with some special qualities. We need to build the qualities. So Bill Gates says that if we are born poor, that's not our mistake, but if we die poor, that's totally our mistake. So we need to have that problem solving and pressure facing situation. And not only that, we need to face the pressure. We need to know how to deal with it. So finally, I would like to say that uh, we the the pressure is very important in our life. We need to make pressure as a part of our journey, and we need to have the wisdom to understand that each and every successful person has gone to a pressure situation and has handled it very well to reach at this stage. So thank you. Next I would like Sai Iswar to share his views.
Hello everyone, this is Ishwar, and this quote means a simple thing can be turned into a precious one under pressure. Each and every one of us are special, and we need to be influenced by the people. They may be our parents, our friends, or teachers. Just like a simple piece of coal turned into a diamond under pressure, we also need that pressure. But the most important thing is, just like diamond, we need to go through tremendous pressure, which we have to bear it with the patience. If not, there may be chance of getting into a depression. If all goes in the good way, you will get the results. But we need to be influenced by the good people. If we go in a wrong way, then our all hard work will go in vain. Thank you.
Thank you, Ishwar. Then I would like Neil to share his views.
So hi guys, I'm Neil. As many of the former speakers have remarked about the nature of the code, I shall not be doing so. I shall speak about my views on the topic, which may be slightly different. What I believe is, yes, I mean, the code is important. Everyone needs to undergo pressure to achieve some degree of success in their life. As you can see, many of the recent JEE aspirants who actually managed to get a good AIR because they have slogged for 2 years. That is a very good thing, but I also feel that pressure is good only when it comes naturally. When people try to apply undue pressure on you, it leads to adverse consequences. As we see, many of the parents in stereotypical Indian parents in society, they get their motivational quotes through WhatsApp, and when such quotes go through them, the next day you come to the breakfast table and you tell them about the pressures you have and how it's affecting your mental health. And this is what they show you, saying that everyone has to suffer. But that is not true, because society needs to realize that it should not apply undue pressure on us. After all, coal and diamond, they're very physical things. What I mean to say is how precious they are depends upon their usefulness. Right? Even though a diamond is considered very, very precious, all it is a piece of jewelry. Well, even though coal is considered worthless, the fuel it provides sustains society in today's world. So it's all a matter of how you view it. And personally, I feel that even though everyone needs to understand responsibility and pressure, undue pressure must not be applied on kids, as it adversely affects the mental health and leads to things like suicide and a lot of other problems. So in conclusion, I would like to say that such quotes must not be propagated very actively and must not get ingrained into our society. Thank you. I would like my colleague Niharika Mahesh to speak next.
Good evening. I'm Niharika, and the quote that has been given to us today, I think it means you can do well in anything you want to if you put in enough effort and hard work. For example, let us say that you never had a chance to play volleyball, but you love it. However, you are really bad at it. So you want to be the best at whatever you do, and you want to play, and you're at least trying to be good at it, but your coach and you ask for your friends to help or your coach to help you, and you work hard to become good at it. So I think until or unless you put enough effort and hard work, you will not shine until or unless that happens. So I feel we are all as special as diamonds until we put enough hard work. This is my explanation. I would like Niharika to tell.
Hello, this is Niharika, and the quote that is given is, a diamond is nothing but a piece of coal that did well under certain pressure. We all know that diamond is not just made in a day. It is just a polished version of something. So basically, when a coal is kept in under some pressure, it turns into a diamond. But in the end of the day, both are carbons. This metaphor has a very big impact on many of our lives. We might not be successful right now, but if we go under some pressure, or we are if we go under some certain guidance, we are surely to shine bright and be successful in future. This also tells us that we shouldn't escape from the pressure that comes our way, and because this it has a long runway for our life, and the person who goes through all this and knows that the life isn't easy. So we all know that the life isn't easy. So there are a lot of ups and downs that we have to face. But a person who overcomes all this, I'm sure they are going to be shine. They're going to shine at the end of the day. And we should have the mindset that a person who's successful right now has not just been successful in just 1 month or one day. They've gone through a lot. So we have to understand what it goes through, and only when we are under pressure or go through what life shows us, we understand how the position, and we respect the position we are in. I would conclude by saying that the pressure that comes we should allow the pressure that comes our way and deal with it. Only then we'll be successful in life. I would like Nikita to continue. Thank you.
Good evening, guys. I'm Nikita. So I'm going to explain about this quote. A diamond is merely a lump of coal that did well under pressure. So in today's world, we are facing more and more stress and pressure on a daily basis, like tighter deadlines, fewer resources, unrealistic expectations, and competing demands, and stiffer competition. So under such pressures, um, under such pressure, there will be like productivity losses, wrong decisions being made due to tiredness, sickness, or loss of motivation. So this is when the tough gets going. So like a diamond being created under pressure, leaders need to be able to manage about the situation and help people cope up with the pressures. So the modern working environment often places substantial demands and stresses on people, but smart leaders will learn to maintain effective performance and cope up with such pressure and stresses. So thus I conclude by saying, so each and everyone is as special as diamonds. So we are shaped and molded by people we are, and the way we change due to teachings of life. So just the way pressure is needed to transform a piece of coal into a diamond, we also require pressure for our transformation. Thank you, guys.
So thank you, everyone. I think we have learned a lot from everyone. It was a very good discussion. So before ending, I would like to ask a few questions, or just an important question. Anyone can answer. Is only pressure handling important to be successful in life, or is there any other thing that is important? Anyone can answer.
I guess focus is also important. If you have a goal set, or if you have something like there is someone that gives you pressure and there's someone that guides you, but your focus should be there to work for it.
And determination, I would say even determination, because until or unless you are determined to do what you want, I don't think you are gonna achieve it. So I would say that determination.
And Neil, what would you say? And I like that point of undue pressure, that we can't compare physical things with our real life pressure. So what would you like to say?
I would like to say that all of these things are required, and you also need perseverance, because it does not matter if you have a dream. What matters is how long you stick with that dream. So that's one more thing that's required for success.
Okay, it was a very good session. Very good to hear from all of you, and I hope the people watching us also learn a lot from us. So thank you, everyone.